How are you? Welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do triangles. Introduction. Triangles are common and attractive figure, well adopted by people in the hill areas to design their houses. Triangle is a polygon that has 3 sides and 3 vertices, and it is most commonly found figure in geometry. ठीक है, triangle is closed curve made up of 3 line segment, 3 vertices होंगे. Next, triangles. A triangle is a closed plane figure having 3 sides and 3 angles. A triangle can be formed by joining 3 distinct non-collinear points, say x, y and z. So non-collinear points हो जाएंगे x, y and z because ये एक plane में नहीं है. When we join them, we form a triangle. Figure 13.1 show triangle XYZ, which can be denoted by triangle XYZ. ये triangle का sign लगा हुआ है. Which is formed by 3 sides XY, YZ and ZX. 3 sides कौन सी हो जाएंगी? XY, YZ and XZ. Clear? Of which point X, Y and Z are called the vertices. X, Y and Z क्या हो जाएंगे इसके? Vertices. Of which angle XYZ, angle YXZ and angle YZX are called the interior angle or simple angle. So ये angle X, ये angle Y और ये angle Z. Clear? Next, element or parts of the triangle. The 3 sides XY, YZ and ZX are the 3 angles. Angle XYZ, angle YXZ and angle YZX of the triangle XYZ taken together are called its 6 elements of parts. तो 3 sides और 3 angles वो मिलके बनाएंगे 6 elements of parts. Next, perimeter of a triangle. The perimeter of closed plane figure is the distance to go along one round of the plane. In another word, the sum of the length of the side of a triangle is known as perimeter. So, तीनों side का जो sum होगा, तीनों sides का, that is known as perimeter. The length of the side of triangle XYZ are XY 3 cm है, YZ 4 cm and XZ 5 cm. Hence, its perimeter क्या हो जाएगी? 3 plus 4 plus 5, that is 12 cm. The perimeter of triangle is commonly denoted by 2S, where S is the semi-perimeter of triangle. Hence, 2S equals to क्या हो जाएगा? X, Y plus Z. Hence, X, Y and Z represent the respective length of the 3 sides of the triangle. These तीनों side का जो sum होगा, that is called the perimeter. Next, side opposite a vertex and vertex opposite a side. In figure 13.3, side XZ, YZ meet at vertex Z. Here YZ is the side opposite vertex Z and Z is the vertex opposite to side X. Similarly, YZ is the side opposite to vertex X and X is the vertex opposite to side YZ. So, is the side XZ opposite to vertex Y and vertex Y opposite to side XZ. So, if we talk about side XY, इसके opposite में vertex कौन सा हो जाएगा? Z. If we talk about XZ, तो Y हो जाएगा इसके opposite में. If we talk about YZ, तो इसके opposite में हो जाएगा X. Clear? Next, interior and exterior of triangle. Figure 13.4 show some points in the plane of triangle XYZ. These points can be classified as under. The point P and P1, which lie inside the region enclosed by triangle XYZ. The point U, B and C, which lie on the side XY, YZ and XZ of triangle XYZ. The point W and A, which lie outside the region enclosed by the triangle XYZ. Accordingly, we can define the interior and exterior of triangle as follow. Interior में क्या हो जाएगा? A part which is made by all such point as P and P1 and is enclosed by triangle XYZ is called the interior of triangle XYZ. So P and P1 जो कि ट्राइंगल XYZ के अंदर है, ये क्या हो जाएगा, इंटीरियर ऑफ एंगल. एक्सटीरियर की बात करें, द पार्ट विच इज मेड अप बाय ऑल सच पॉइंट एज WA and lies outside the triangle XYZ is called exterior of triangle XYZ. So point W and A, they are exterior of triangle XYZ. Next, quick funda that separate the interior and exterior of triangle ABC. It is the boundary of its interior. That if we join point P and P1 in the interior of triangle ABC, then the line segment P1 lies entirely in the interior of triangle. Next, triangular region. The interior of triangle XYZ together with the triangle XYZ is called the triangular region XYZ. Example लेते हैं, in triangle PQR, name the point on the triangle PQR. On the triangle PQR, that are point O and N. In the interior, interior में हो जाएंगे A and B. Exterior, exterior में हो जाएंगे M and S. Clear? Next, some important observations. The figure formed by three line segment by joining three non-collinear points in pair is called a triangle. The symbol triangle is used to denote triangle. A triangle has three sides, three angles and three vertices. The three sides and three angles of triangle are called the six elements or parts. A triangle divided the plane into three parts: its interior, exterior and the triangle itself. The triangle ABC together with its interior is called the triangular region. Next is learning target 13.1. Subject enrichment. Fill in the blanks with the correct word to make it a true statement. First is, a triangle has dash vertices. A triangle has three vertices. Clear? So all other question you have to practice. Next, type of triangles. Triangle can be classified according to the type of angle. Angles के according कौन कौन से होते हैं? Angles के according होंगे acute angle triangle. All three angles acute. Means अगर तीनों angle हैं acute है, that means more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree, that means that is an acute angle triangle. If one of the angle is obtuse, means more than 90 degree, less than 180 degree, that is called obtuse angle triangle. If one of the angle is 90 degree, that is called right angle triangle. Now, on the basis of side, the number of equal sides. Side के according कौन सा होगा? First is equilateral triangle. If all three sides are equal, equilateral triangle. Two sides equal हैं, that means isosceles triangle. No side equal, that is called scalene triangle. Clear? Do you also notice that the length of the side of the triangle varies according to the side of triangle opposite it? In other words, the longest side is opposite the largest angle. जो largest angle होगा उसके opposite side क्या होगी? Longest होगी. And the shortest side is opposite to the smallest side. Clear? Next, quick funda. All the angles in of equilateral triangles are equal. Each angle is 60 degree. Means 60 plus 60 plus 60 total 180 हो गया. The two base angles of isosceles triangles are equal. For example, angle RPQ, that is equals to angle RQP. All the angles of scalene triangles are different in measurement. In the right angle triangle, the side opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse. Right angle triangle में जो भी side right angle in 90 degree के opposite होगी, that is called hypotenuse. Next, Pythagoras theorem. This theorem is very important. आपको higher class में भी follow होगा, so उसको अच्छे से समझिएगा. Pythagoras was a Greek philosopher and mathematician. His idea influenced great thinker throughout the ages, and he is well known to math student. His Pythagoras theorem is the simple rule about the proportion of the side of right triangle. The square of the hypotenuse of right triangle is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. According to Pythagoras theorem, जो hypotenuse का square होगा that is equals to the sum of the square of other two sides, like इसके और इसके. So a square plus b square means a square plus b square that is equals to c square. a square कितना है 3, तो 3 का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. b की वैल्यू है 4 सेंटीमीटर, तो 4 का स्क्वायर दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 5 स्क्वायर. सो 3 का स्क्वायर क्या हो गया 9, 4 का स्क्वायर 16 एंड 5 का स्क्वायर क्या हो गया 25. सो 9 प्लस 16 दैट इज 25 इक्वल्स टू 25. पाइथागोरस थ्योरम जो होता है दैट ऑलवेज अप्लाइज फॉर राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. नेक्स्ट इज सम इंपॉर्टेंट ऑब्जर्वेशंस. Sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Means two side का जो sum है that will be always greater than the third side. A triangle having no two sides equal is called scalene triangle. A triangle having two sides equal is called isosceles triangle. A triangle having all sides equal is called equilateral triangle. A triangle all of whose angles are acute is called acute angle triangle or simply an acute triangle. A triangle one of whose angle is right angle is called right angle triangle or simply a right triangle. A triangle one of whose angle is obtuse is called obtuse angle triangle or simply an obtuse triangle. Next, learning target 13.2. Subject enrichment. Classify the following triangle according to their angles. First one, 30 degree, 70 degree, 80 degree. All angles are acute angle. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा acute triangle. Clear? All other question you have to practice. Next is properties of triangle and their verification. Let us study and verify 3 of them at this stage. Property 1, sum of 3 angles of triangle is 180 degree. The property is commonly referred as the angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of triangle means sum of 3 angles of triangle is 180 degree. Observation. Measure all the angles of 6 triangle given in the figure with the help of the protractor. What do you observe? We find that the sum of the angle of each triangle always add up to 180 degree or 2 right angle means 90 plus 90 that is 180 degree. Hence, we conclude that the sum of 3 angles of triangle is 180 degree. Verification. Draw a triangle XYZ as shown in the figure 13.14. Draw PQ parallel to XZ passing through the Y. We have angle YXZ that is equals to angle PYX and angle YZA equals to angle QYZ. Alternate angle because क्या है PQ is parallel to AC. Then angle PYX plus angle XYZ plus angle QYZ that is equals to 180 degree. Angle YZZ plus angle XYZ plus angle YZX that is equals to 180 degree adjacent angle on a straight line. Clear? सबसे पहले क्या दे रखा है, एक ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ किया XYZ, एक लाइन दैट इज PQ पासिंग थ्रू द पॉइंट Y. ये एंगल एंड एंगल X और ये क्या हो जाएंगे ऑल्टरनेट एंगल बिकॉज PQ और ये XZ पैरेलल है. देन एंगल Z एंड दिस एंगल ये क्या हो जाएंगे पैरेलल हो जाएंगे. अगर हम इन तीनों एंगल को ऐड करते हैं तो क्या आएगा 180 डिग्री बिकॉज क्या है ऑल्टरनेट एंगल PQ और ये जो है XZ पैरेलल है तो टोटल करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा 180 डिग्री. दैट मीन्स एंगल YXZ, एंगल YXZ यानी कि ये वाला एंगल प्लस ये वाला एंगल और ये वाला, इन तीनों को टोटल करेंगे तो कितना 180 डिग्री हो जाएगा. That is the angle sum property of triangle. Means sum of angle of triangle is 180 degree. Example लेते हैं. In each of the following of measure the 3 angles are given. State in which case the angles can possibly be those of a triangle. So first one is 53 degree, 73 degree, 83 degree. अगर हम इनका सम करते हैं दैट इज 180 डिग्री, दैट मीन्स ये ट्राइंगल के एंगल्स है. इफ इट सम इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री दैट मीन्स दे आर नॉट द एंगल ऑफ ट्राइंगल. सो सोल्यूशन सम करेंगे दैट इज 209, दैट इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री. These angle cannot be the angle of triangle. Clear? Next, property 2. In a triangle, an exterior angle equal to the sum of two interior opposite angle. जो exterior angle होता है that is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angle. Observation. Figure 13.15 show that the triangle ABC with BA produced to P, BC produced to Q and CB produced to R. P, Q and R are called exterior angle of triangle ABC. In particular, A and B are referred to as the interior opposite angle with reference to Q. Similarly, A and C are the interior opposite angle with reference to R, etc. and so on. Using protractor, measure the angle A, B, C, P, Q and R. Find the values of A plus B, B plus C and A plus C. What do you find? You find that angle Q that is equals to A plus B, R is equals to A plus C and P is equals to B plus C. It discloses that the fact the sum of the interior opposite angle of triangle that is equals to exterior angle. So exterior angle Q की अगर हम बात करें वो किसके इक्वल हो जाएगा? A plus B. अगर R की बात करें R is equals to A plus C and P that is equals to B plus C. So प्रूव होता है द एक्सटीरियर एंगल दैट इज इक्वल्स टू द सम ऑफ ऑपोजिट इंटीरियर एंगल. नेक्स्ट क्विक फंडा. RBCQ and OP are the pairs of adjacent angle. Sum of each pair is 180 degree. Verification. We can prove the above fact by the following proof. Refer to the triangle ABC with notation as given in figure 13.16. We have angle A plus B plus C यानी जो एंगल का सम है ट्राइंगल का दैट इज 180 डिग्री, Q plus C दैट इज 180 डिग्री एडजेसेंट एंगल ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइन. तो क्या हो जाएगा A plus B इक्वल्स टू एंगल Q. Q क्या है? एक्सटीरियर एंगल दैट इज इक्वल्स टू द सम ऑफ इंटीरियर अपोजिट एंगल. क्लियर? एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. फाइंड द अननोन एंगल मार्क्ड इन ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डायग्राम. गिवन एंगल A एंड एंगल C आर इक्वल इन फिगर 13.172. सो फर्स्ट दिस इज एक्सटीरियर एंगल 114 प्लस एंगल A ये क्या हो जाएगा 180 डिग्री एडजेसेंट एंगल ऑन स्ट्रेट लाइन. इन दोनों एंगल्स का सम इसका और इसका सम कितना हो जाएगा 180 डिग्री. सो अगर 180 डिग्री में से 114 डिग्री सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा एंगल A दैट इज 66 डिग्री. ठीक है, 66 डिग्री प्लस एंगल B दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 114 डिग्री. क्या हो जाएगा? जो एक्सटीरियर एंगल है वो किसके हो जाएगा? सम ऑफ इंटीरियर ऑपोजिट एंगल. सो एंगल B इक्वल्स टू क्या हो जाएगा 114 माइनस 66 डिग्री दैट इज 48 डिग्री. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट property 3. Sum of any two sides of triangle is greater than the third side. This property is commonly referred to as triangle inequality. Means two sides का जो sum होगा that will be always greater than the third side. Observation and verification. Draw any three triangles, say T1, T2 and T3. Label these triangles in each case as triangle ABC as shown in figure 13.18. Measure in each case side AB plus BC and CA and find the values of AB plus BC, BC plus CA plus AB. What do you observe? 3 triangles given है, हमें किसी भी 2 साइड का मेजरमेंट करना है और चेक करना है whether it is greater than third side or not. We find AB plus BC is greater than CA, BC plus CA is greater than AB, CA plus AB is greater than BC for each of the triangle T1, T2 and T3. Means sum of any two sides is always greater than the third side. Conclusion. The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Example लेते हैं. Each of the following there are 3 positive numbers. State if these number could be possible length in centimeter of the side of triangle. First is 2, 7 and 9. So what is the rule? सम ऑफ टू साइड दैट शुड बी ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन द थर्ड साइड, हमेशा उससे ग्रेटर होना चाहिए, इक्वल भी नहीं हो सकता. सो फर्स्ट 2 + 7 दैट शुड बी ग्रेटर देन थर्ड साइड, दैट इज 9 प्लस क्या है 2 + 7 है 9, इक्वल हो रहा है. देयरफॉर द प्रॉपर्टी 3 इज नॉट सेटिस्फाई. सो दीज कैन नॉट बी द साइड्स ऑफ ट्राइंगल. क्लियर. इसी तरीके से बाकी सारे एग्जाम्पल करने हैं. नेक्स्ट, some important observations. Sum of three angles of triangle is 180 degree. In a triangle, an exterior angle equal to the sum of two interior opposite angle. Next, learning target 13.3. Critical thinking. In each of the following, these are three positive numbers. State if these numbers could be the possible length in centimeter of the side of triangle. First is 4, 5 and 6. So we'll check. First हम इन two sides का करेंगे. 4 + 5 that should be greater than 6. 4 + 5 कितना था 9, that is greater than 6. ठीक है. Then 5 + 6 that is greater than 4. Clear? Then 4 + 6 दैट इज ग्रेटर देन 5. तो कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई करना है, दैट मीन्स इसके लिए ट्रू है, पॉसिबल है. क्लियर. इसी तरीके से आपको बाकी सारे क्वेश्चंस भी चेक करना है. प्रैक्टिस ऑल दीज क्वेश्चन. हियर वी एंड द चैप्टर. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड द चैप्टर वेल. नाउ यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इट.